Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and this is Friday night's video, Friday, September 12th, being made on Sunday. I had a timing schedule problem today, or this weekend. Anyway, I just want to get the video out to you before Monday. Let's talk a little bit about what happened on Friday. I just viewed the back and forth all day as backing and filling, marking time, consolidation. All those words fit. It means that the market is just getting ready to make its next move. And from the looks of the charts, that move still looks to me like it's on the downside. So none of this action that we've had for the last couple of days has really changed the look of any of the patterns. So we'll go over each pattern. I'll show you what I expect, and I'll show you what would change the pattern, what would have to happen to change these patterns from having such a negative look right now. Because as you know, anything is possible in this game, but some changes would have to be made in the patterns. We would get a heads up as to any change of direction. But as of right now, the patterns still look negative to me. So in the final segment, we'll take a look at all those patterns, and I'll show you what I expect and what would have to happen for any kind of change to happen. In the meantime, I have another idea for you. This idea is on the short side, and the stock is EPIC, Epic. It's a software company. So in just a moment, I'm going to show you the chart. I'll show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. So don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at let me get a better view than that. We're looking at a daily bar chart of EPIC. And this is a call on the short side. This may be a little bit of a tricky call, so pay attention here. This is a call on the short side, and I'll be looking to sell this stock short. It closed at 822. But I'd be looking to sell this stock short somewhere between 845 and maybe even 860. And the reason for that is because of this initial break. It looks like it's trying to kick back into the pattern. And, it may not get up there because the look is negative. But I still think you'll get a chance to sell it somewhere around 845. My target on the downside is $6.30 right down here. My stop loss limit would be put in, of course, a break above a new high, which would be $8.64. Any close above that would change the look of the stock, and we'll probably have to cover the short. But as of right now, it's a negative look. Let me zoom in and show you what I see. Okay. Got this descending triangle look again. That pretty much explains it right there. And we broke down out of it there, and then we broke down out of it here. Now we're going to kick back into it. So that's why I say it could get into the 845 area. It may even get up into this 850, 860 area before she rolls over again. And it may not. It may stop right here. So it's a little tricky. You're going to have to pay attention to this. We'll have to see how it reacts on Monday morning. But anyway, the look is negative. It is a call on the short side, and depending on where we sell this short, we could probably make about $2 on this trade. So let me recap that. That's EPIC. It's a call on the short side, and we'd be looking to make $2 on this trade. All right, let's go directly to the indexes. I'll show you why I'm still holding my my negative view, because Friday was down $11. We were down a lot more earlier. We came back and we were down and back and forth. And I just see this as a consolidation pattern here. Okay. What would have to happen for me to take kind of a different view? I'd have to see a substantial close above that level there, maybe even a close above this level. Because the way I view this right now is we've still got this rolling overlook We've still got this house of cards look. So that's a negative look, and you know, I got to stick with it until it changes. Transportation average, same look. It's rolling over. Yeah, we kick back. We're kicking back into a resistance area. We still have these declining tops on top of us. You know, there's nothing really here to get excited about, especially thinking that maybe the market can do better. It still has this negative look. Russell 2000, also negative look. Yes, could it rally back up into this area here? Yes, it could. It doesn't change anything. Okay, here's how I'm reading this. Okay, after the initial running into this resistance here, it breaks, it kicks back into resistance, it breaks again, makes a lower low over this low. So now it's going to kick back up again for another day or two, and then the next move is going to be a lower low underneath this low. So you're going to have a low, a low, a low, a lower low, and at least down to this pattern here. That's how I'm reading this formation right now. SPY, Standard & Poor's 500, very similar to the Dow, backing and filling, just backing and filling, consolidating. You know, a lot of times this action doesn't make sense to you when you're waiting for a move to happen. You know, it's like, why are they rallying? You know, it's just the way the market operates. QQQQs closed down 17 cents on the day. This is our main resistance area. You know, after this initial break, this is a pretty big move on the downside. It is not surprising for the market to just bounce back and forth here for a while. If it could do it for a few more days, it's kind of like catch its breath, so to speak, after this long journey that it's had down to here. For it to go back and forth for a few more days is not surprising whatsoever, but it still has a negative connotation to it. It still has a negative look. That has not changed. All right, so that's my view of the market until Monday morning. This is TK signing off.